How to fix KB5072033 0x800705b9 error in Windows 11 25H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is try to manually install the update. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking on the link, you will reach this page. Over here, you will find multiple files. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on About. Here is System Type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and x64-based processor. Check yours and find the file here. 25H2 for x64 based systems. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Find the link which includes KB5072033. This one. Click on this link. Let the MSC file download. Once downloaded, go to the download location. Click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads, which is generally the download location for Windows users. This is the MSC file you have just downloaded. Right click on this file and select Open. Preparing for the installation. This Windows update is already installed on my computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install on your computer. If the error code still persists, then follow the next method, which is Reset Windows Update Components. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, scroll down and look for Windows Update. This one, right click on this service and select Properties. Click on the drop down for startup type and select Disabled. Click on Apply. Click on Stop here. OK. Close the services window. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Go to the drive where the Windows is installed. Open the Windows directory. Find software distribution folder in this directory. This one. Right click on this folder and select Delete. Once the folder is deleted, close the File Explorer and restart your computer. After restarting, again open the Services application. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, go to the Windows Update service, this one, right click on this service, select Properties. Now change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Apply and click on Start here. Click on OK. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer service. This one, right click on this service, select Properties. Make sure that the startup type is Automatic here and the service is running. Click on OK. Right click on the Background Intelligent Transfer service and select Restart. In the same manner, find App Readiness. Right click on this service, select Properties. Make sure that a startup type is Automatic here. If it is not automatic, change it to Automatic and make sure that service status is running. If it is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness and select Restart. Close the services window, then try to install the update. If the issue still occurs, then run SFC and DISM command line utilities. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, type SFC space / scan now. Press enter. Wait for a while until it is 100% completed. Once completed, go to the video description. You will find this command there. Copy the command from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Mine is showing error 3017 because after running SFC, I have not restarted my computer. Make sure that the DISM command line tool is not showing any error on your computer. After running both the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates and try to install it. After KB5072033 is downloaded, restart your computer. Here you will find Restart Now button. Click on that. The next method is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Click on OK on this pop-up. After clicking on OK, Windows 11 25H2 repair version will be automatically downloaded in this section. After the downloading is completed, the system will pop up a notification to restart your computer. Restart and then try to install the security update. If any of the methods doesn't work, then you will need to perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11. Once the page is loaded, scroll down to this section which says download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on the select download drop down and select this option if your device is x64 based. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link here and follow the steps accordingly. Click on confirm for x64 devices. Now we will have to choose the product language. For this, check the language first. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Time and Language, select Language and Region. Here is the window display language. It is English United States for me. Check yours and choose the language here. Click on Choose One and select the language. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to File Explorer, Downloads folder, find the just downloaded ISO file and right click on it. Select Mount. On the Open File Security warning pop-up, click on Open. Right click on this file which says setup.exe and select Open. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. On the Windows for applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. On this window, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the security update KB5072033. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.